In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a product on Amazon using just a picture. This is one of the easiest ways to search when you don't know the name of the item, the model, or the brand, but you have a photo of what you want. Amazon's picture search feature makes the whole process fast and accurate. To begin, open the Amazon app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account so the feature works properly. Once you are logged in, you will be taken directly to the homepage of the app. At the very top of the screen, you will see the main search bar. Right next to the search bar, there is a small camera or scan icon. This is the key feature you need for picture search. Tap on this camera icon to open Amazon's built-in scanning tool. Once the camera feature opens, Amazon will give you two options. The first option is to take a picture using your phone's camera. The second option is to upload an existing image from your phone's gallery. If you have the product physically in front of you, simply point your camera at the item and take a clear, well-lit picture. Try to make sure the item is centered in the frame and nothing is blocking it. Amazon will analyze the image and search for similar items in its database. If the product is not physically available and you only have a saved photo, then tap the Upload button. This will open your gallery. Select the image you want to use and Amazon will process it just like a scanned picture. This is very helpful when you see an item online, in a store, or maybe on social media and want to find the same or a similar product on Amazon. After Amazon finishes scanning the photo, you will see a full list of results. These results include exact matches, similar items, alternate colors, and similar styles. You can scroll down to view all the options. Tap on any product to see details, like the price, reviews, delivery options, and seller information. This feature is extremely useful when you don't know the correct product name, spelling, or model number. Amazon's picture search can also scan barcodes. If you have the product's packaging with the barcode on it, simply point the camera at the barcode. Amazon will detect it instantly and show you the exact product listing, if it is available on Amazon. This is perfect when you want to compare prices between stores, check availability, or see if you can order the product online for a cheaper price. This feature works especially well for fashion items such as clothes, shoes, handbags, and accessories. If you see something you like on Instagram, Pinterest, or in a magazine, you can take a screenshot and upload it to Amazon's image search. Amazon will then show you items with similar designs, patterns, colors, or styles. It's a great way to find alternatives or affordable versions of trendy items. If you don't get the correct match the first time, try improving the photo. Make sure the lighting is bright, the background is clean, and the product covers most of the frame. Avoid pictures with too many objects, since Amazon might get confused and show the wrong results. The clearer the product looks in the image, the better the accuracy. And that's it. This is how you find any product on Amazon using just a picture. It's quick, simple, and extremely useful when you're trying to identify or locate a product without knowing its name.